Hey guys, I'm Penelope. So today, we're going to fill with the Korean ice cream and the mini fridge.
By the way of the part 2, we're going to fill the Korean ice cream from day 9.
Let's fill with the ice cream of the day 9. We have passion fruit, caramel, goo goo bar, original power cap,
Milona, grape, chocolate nut, and caramel too as well.
Let's fill with the ice cream of the day 10. This is our last day. We have ice, tangle, grape, watermelon, and rainbow ice pop.
So here the mini fridge of the Korean ice cream. And here's the iPhone too.
Let's take the photo of the Instagram, Facebook, and the TikTok.
Asterisk when Sara takes the photo of the Facebook and Instagram asterisk.
So let's record of the short video of the mini fridge. But this is the ASMR. 3, 2, 1.
And then stop recording the short video with the ASMR.
So let's share the YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram.
Asterisk when Sara and Penelope are shared the YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram asterisk.
So let's share the YouTube.
Asterisk when Penelope shares his YouTube asterisk.
So let's share the Facebook.
Asterisk when Penelope shares his Facebook asterisk.
So let's share the TikTok.
Asterisk when Sara shares his TikTok asterisk.
So let's share the Instagram.
Asterisk when Sara shares his Instagram asterisk.
So let's close her mini fridge and then we can play Roblox.